What will your kitchen look like in 15 years' time? Nobilia. A good all-rounder and fully functional. At Nobilia, we don't leave quality to chance. Because for us, reliability comes with the brand. And that applies to furniture, modules and materials. Before the manufacturing process starts, we carry out comprehensive testing in our own laboratory. We manufacture to our own strict standards, which often exceed general industry standards. Only prototypes which have qualified in all disciplines go forward into production. Which for us means quality right from the start. From the Arctic through to the tropics, Nobilia kitchens are at home throughout the world. Not only that, the kitchens themselves have different climate zones, which is why our furniture has to show that it can stand both hot and cold conditions, even extremely humid conditions. As if using a time machine, we simulate changing climatic loads so that new modules are artificially aged. So 15 years disappear in 270 hours. The aim is to achieve high resistance even under extreme conditions. A Nobilia kitchen must go on working, even after 10, 15 or 20 years. Which is why we test all the moving modules of our furniture in continuous operation and, essential for us, always under full load. What does Nobilia quality actually mean? We place our furniture under load for up to 3 times longer than required. Where the standard specifies 60,000 repetitions, 80,000 or more test cycles are actually carried out. Quality that applies to all modules. Also, our wall cupboards and shelves can support much more than the normal weight of crockery. There is always a lot of moisture in a kitchen, whether standing water on the work surfaces or long-lasting steam during cooking. So that we can guarantee long-lasting resistance to moisture, we test our modules in various processes. For example, we test furniture edges in hot steam, or metallic operating parts in aggressive salt spray. This allows us to simulate a lifetime of at least 15 years in our tests. A kitchen forms a central part of life. Hence, it is exposed to all sorts of substances, including citric acids or strong dyes. To make the surface fit for everyday use, we carry out chemical testing and treat them with rough and sharp objects, as well as simulating the friction on handles many tens of thousands of times, so that the surfaces can really withstand the entire life of the kitchen. Of course, kitchen facades always look good when they're new. That they continue to do so after 15 years is simply down to quality. We illuminate new surfaces with extremely bright xenon light, so that we can evaluate color changes caused by aging and make appropriate adjustments. And because all lights are not the same, we check every new batch under different conditions. Hence, faults do not stand a chance, and we can be sure that the decor of your Nobilia kitchen really comes up to the mark. How does a company that produces more than 2,000 kitchens per day set standards when it comes to quality? Perhaps because we consistently automate our processes. Perhaps because we have an all-encompassing approach, and because, as far as we're concerned, quality applies to the whole process chain, beginning with our suppliers' suppliers. Perhaps because we carry out continuous checking at more than 50 relevant points in the production chain. Definitely because we simply invest more in quality, so that only fully proven furniture enters into series production. Lastly, because we believe that for us, quality is a way of life. For every single one of us, in every process step. The result of this is quality value added. Made in Germany.